Hello everyone. Today I want to shoot this video to show this car. I'm putting it out for sale. This is a 2020 Mustang GT and it has a wide body installed in it. This car is just a really nice car. It's custom wheels. These are forged aluminum. These wheels were custom made and these are just really badass. The front wheels are 20 by 11. The wheels on the back are 20 by 13. And this fits the 345 30/20 tires on the back. And I want you to shoot a video. This is the car's in really good shape. There's nothing wrong with this car. This car was involved in an accident when I bought it, and it came with a revealed title. And I don't have to hide anything on it. You can see pictures and videos of when I got the car. And I have all the receipts and proof that all the parts that I bought to rebuild these cars were sourced from Ford. And the only thing that is aftermarket is the body kit. But you can see we did like a beautiful job doing the wide body conversion on this thing. And I mean, this looks just beautiful. If you're seriously interested on a car like this, give me a call. You're welcome to come and see it, test drive it. You have a mechanic or an inspector, you can actually check it out. There is not a single code on the computer, transmission, motor, or anything on this car. So if you're looking for a nice looking car, a unique looking car, give me a call.